for chim say one matia enya dia wanam ebekwa adwuma akwakoya adwuma akwaje ayarefo nkwa na nka ne chire mi se miamia hodo bi ho no man ye okopie mu achese ne eye total withdrawal enya dia nurse fuei etimi ko bo adwuma ba akokra entu kopie mu ane ayarefo yi agi ho no nyina boso achese obi nko ena obi aba wanam ho papa wanam anya semkuma na Ghana fo beka ya National Labour Commission for ebeka chire nurse fuei se nkebe ya enka tuatia mpeso mote no wane munyan efrisem enya de a efamara kwanso afinso kobane sa ebe ha dwenti enka wane munyan nanso Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association kode e kire musem enye alata moimoi enya de ombete ase kura na wanam ehya oye kire yase eye fekire no fon sa obosuma ye womende de toso mienu efempem mienu ne ade nunu mu eka kire mpanifo se wanam hwa omanim akapim bosuma yegomai na da na etoso ankura ye na adwa dai saban entime fa na fancy form na na mahudu we mu kire mi se eno ebi eye collective agreement implementation beboa na na mahudu we beboa na anase fo no ama ahobambo nsem afizo musikase magina no saban anya wo mbete atua ebi ewu nso marketua nsem enko nkane allowances ahudu obi nso emma wo mu kire mi se working conditions emma obi kwa kurasa akọbọ adwuma se nurse ni a sika odo asa bande ma no man ne botom ya de no empanifo ntua nene okopie mu of rich abanya de sabia ehon so kwaje ta ayalefo ne koye de naso nurse fo no absent one mama okopie mu ewo chese ne upper east mantem ni mu a sandete ayalefo ne ko adwuma naso nurse fo no absent sanso na upper west sandete o man ko adwuma ukopie mu ewata kwade efia kwesimentim abanya de sabia ayalefo ne koye nanso nurse fo no absent wonu man kwa adwuma sanso na kopie mu Cape Coast abanya de sabia interbetin so a doctor fo ne koye ayalefo ne so akodwa nanso nurse fo ne tirem se ne absent o man kwa adwuma ukopie mu konfo no cha abanya de sabia sande tie no nurse fo ne tirem se amontumi kwankoye adwuma wa mra ma yetimen ministers de men oso ohwa apomodin so de men odaka mu fra papa na ebo no na nurse ni huna manede a wo man kwasena kwatena wonom koya adwuma fi se nurse for ma bre pam na konfana chimpo de kese ne ayefo baburo baye empem de ho kopie mu a doctor fo ne chirim se da bi nurse fo ma adwuma nti enya dem betumi agi wo mu nti obi ansan fa na ni fa nkyere fie na kwatena fi no kobọ mpaye ne yakopọ hunu mọbọ na kopie mu anu twa ben south mensin ni mu a openipa da wonu ma no eye John Ajeman chire mu se omakacha Ghana ban se ne enkaba ya condition of service na de som da tun ni ko wanya nanso wanya de a nurse fo ne nkwadwuma ne enkwadwuma kira kopem ma ban ebe ya kado se ne ma omope no ode betu dwam ode betu eye itwa ojemre ne yensem hwe ni kontini kofi otwetwe nkomo awo payment na nsem sei ina ode to kontini anymore
abaso come abaso mcp the road maps no the diesel pepe and then that yeah total for services so I don't know so what was in India almost all our members are not at the wars how many was to see into the next year abaso and penny position mine and the need is of mine on yeah, bonnie from the ones they provide the essential services. So yes, I can't do any more my share the arrangements. I'm buying to me Maya. That's it. They bit my arms here because right. I didn't say no need someone I'm buying with you. I know the young can say yeah, say air conditioner, but young so yes, I'm buying so better say any menu ya the difference of money to 3 months. Say any menu ya so to me. Now I said yeah, no, yeah, my yeah to me back the better. Yeah, very home and collective agreement any abine at 2024. Emma both sides need signing penny for signing Ministry of Health, Fair Wages and Salaries Commission nominal signing Ajiatu say and not up to now abine implementing my I don't think that
any out yakopie mu ewo new Jaben South Mensin limwa ono ena Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association no oya wonom chairman ne den Edin John Agyei ena wote ne kan e bomani kopie mo ewo efia nkwanta abanya le sabia ɛwɔn so kaskala sa nurse ni ba ko ne din de Linda Otu o kyerɛ mu sɛ ɔbɔ adwuma ɛwɔ reproductive and health child health unit na o kyerɛ mu akopie mu ɔwɔ pɛpɛ sɛ nka onya sɛda yalafoɔ ne brɛ ne nka ɔbɛbɔ ne ho mmɔden ayɛ adwuma nanso ɔhyeku ase ɛsɛ odi mmara so nti adwuma neɛ ɔnyɛ ne mmɔmɔsra aban sɛ ɔma ne ho mmɔden sɛ deɛ ɔmaka no ɔnyɛ ne mmoa na nursefoɔ no mmɔden ɛnkɔgye ayalafoɔ nkwa fi sɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so no ɛne ɛnya yie paa.
GNRMA is striking, so I'm not supposed to work today. That is why I'm not in uniform. At least the government should listen to our plea. We should do all the things that we are asking him to do so that at least we can come back to work. We care about the mothers, we care about the patients, but just that we are an association. I cannot exempt myself from it and come to work. So maybe you should listen to what we are saying, then we come back to work.
Any awuti nurse ni ba ko ye adwuma woko pie mu otakra do ye adwuma ewo efia nkwanta abanya lesabia ne den de Linda Otu na wote ne nkan na ese akopie mu ewo Cape Coast abanya lesabia ntabete ho no nso a maame ba ko a okwawo ye be na wotwentem ni na adoctorfo de se kan no nti omo kire ne senke ne omra na mo hwe be mpampam ya ne sade yakosi nanso okoya kaskada nurse for na manjuma mekatia no watena ho no mo saa o kire mu ade yakoso no nyame nim de kure ni assembly emu oye pa
Teresa. About 1 week, member review. Why am serious?
DLFM 106.9.
Overcheck him about us, my doctors. Theater, boy, busy will be hours work or strike. Theater, my woman country so in train. Bia mahade tete hada my brother aso baby ayaba review bia ambulances bia anya aya sabande mo oya obe no anya na yam so yaba wa hwe
enipa wote ne nkan ne din editaliza oyo batan a doctorfo ede se kan no nanko wokọ manka ne mpanifo ahwe ne bobre se de ne hundam de mu kọ nanzo wokọ ya kaskala nursefo na nkwa adwuma ema koye nsempi ewo Cape Coast nanu achi ana kwanchirefo penen ono na ya Director General de Ghanaian Health Service ne den de Professor Samuel Kaba akolia enzo akase chirim so de adesre edeto eye Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwife Association kunan so sra wo mada empenifo se waye bia eye yenkase waye bia to asunto sra wo mada se de aduedie omo chewani omo ne abansin konwa no monko enkɔgye ayalofo no kwabise de ekoso ne basa nurse ni mpo yade anase awo kana yade ya ne nyonko nurse ne beji na wonto osra wo mada omonkonko ya adwuma.
Also take the opportunity to call on our sisters and brother nurses to come back to work. Just like yesterday I said to one nurse, if you come to the hospital now, you as a nurse and you are pregnant, you are going to deliver, because she was a pregnant nurse. What are you going to say? Will you say, I won't deliver today because we are on strike? You'll be shouting, let's all do this. Let's go back to the negotiation table. If it's your auntie, your mother who is sick, what are you going to do? Will you say, I won't take her to the hospital because we are on strike? And when you go to the hospital, who do you expect to take care of your mom? Or you yourself? So I humbly add my voice to the Honorable Minister that please come back to work and let's continue negotiating. Thank you everybody. God bless us.
Ni a wuti ono ena ye Director General de Ghanaian Health Service ne den ye de Professor Samuel Kaba akolia ena wote ne nkan
Yentwa kasebone so na new force movement eye owura na Kwame Bedi Akun edin adodo na de frɛ no aye cheda ono ene de ya amanyokuo yi ano na yade omude chopa kese de abetudwa e de afa eyesuban bi eno kɔɔso ewo ye cheda ne bodyguard ewo ye mampon hia yi ase esanse yade na owura bi bɔ ne homɔden asenko betimi ene cheda akasa ana ye ne bodyguard bɔ homɔden ato hye ne so akyese enya asem ketua na wɔtwe etwa mu awie ye de na kyese ye na ase no enya asem ketua wɔ hɔnom se ne ogu ne headings ne ye na kyese minim se ye box na no person ko wɔ ho se den yo bodyguard bo modern ani owura yo gu ne head na chese ono so ne bo na chese na komani na eye ne ya we no mabo modern edit statement abetu General Secretary Charles Yomepe os etimi asan ase etujo na oche musa ya manyoko no omahu se niam ekwoso no de ntwa ye kra esan se owura no video no omohu ye no na enya ade okita etu anaso okita jan bia na opese onye eye cheda bibi ntina nka hu nya sen ka bodyguard no ebetimi ayesa na tememfo de wasen ka omma na obuo na omohu ne se Ghana na nkasa ka bi na minka bia mamo na wase ye adwuma nta ye basabasa ye se de wase etimi ekoso ewo honom so mo obi akwan na otimi ni obi kasa na so otimi che na adwe ewo bibia ho nti ne ekoso no de omahu ni se nya ade a ekoye nti omo de chow pakese na ekwa ma ayetememfo ni na when a lead economic analyst edema a new force movement no Hubert Baidu and some trouble for ekasa no or the same say edituja
ewo mampon yina yedi say mistake kakra by em say mintime ho asibi eba between one of our security officers and yenua panyin bia nanka opese one nana kwa bedi akon enya nkita ho na enumu no em say pompopoma twede e de boy yenua panyin no na enra ye release public apology and the condemn the course or no you say a mistake and aba so a mistake no interest a bit to me see on behalf of Nana Kwame Bediako any new force movement no me de ochopa kese pa ma enua panyin no afi na busuan for na Ghana for nyina.
Ene ya uti ye lead economic analyst at the new force movement and ye Hubert Baidu na ba Facebook ni so ye DLFM 106.9 videos no twegu ewo honom na enu achi ana bodyguard no sanso no owura na ye basabasa ye si omuntem no omudi nsem say editudwa.
Sincerely apologize to everyone, my boss, whoever get offended about my actions last night or yesterday. I'm on someone as one, and I'm social media see between me and a security and I issue. Then it's so bad, and I said the drama, skin financial said, so my security I said, what can I say? What can I say? What can I say? Home baby, come on. James said that appear a transition, a man afraid, a friend, but first family and actually picture. That Jema afraid, say, we are Nimra and Laka, now they can pay the amount of this information and transfer higher from a doctor's action. The eye okay, it's even also by general from Swati, Apache, this Majan, CBA.
Eni ya uti ye bodyguard no sanso no owura na bodyguard no ebo modern egu ne headings no ana otening
enti sika se sia ne putipru nka beto dwa kire mi se sa bodyguard no new force pass suspended no
ai osafata
o masos was it eh
miss osafata
na adenti na yo panin so wani mra so yi
enti wani mra so akwadwo no obetimi ayo papa no aso ne mna gu
headings pim na opim ne de me nka se wa ya ade ne momu no aya ye ni mra so ne mabu wa enye yesi panin ekọ yaje ban atoban enko ho de pan na okope
itu betimi aka chenson saudi wa no beka chensa sign
wa siase ade video no go fifa to so ade wa hu ana video na da so yi
itu no pam no waso ne mene
me se Ghana ni ofata se yeyire no
omomianu ni na obia no odi asempa
kroma no ya nya omo sa omo nipa o
oh there be two
eni hwe o de hwe gidi ofa ho akọ how you know ebia na nya be yabotremba nya botre sika nya botre obi nim de hye bitrim enti na ye fo obi so omo pani bi ho ban okwa obi nim de hye ne botom senko ofa ho na okwa na okofa sika bi na so anka ye ka ho asem sen enti ye se manwura mu asan wachi bobo na me ka sa nya me de na momu no next time ode be ya disua de enya fine moma ye mamra nya adwuma kroyim manko bebe ye wanyina dunti de pa na nka okwaje ne ho
bodyguard na koma hanu
na wafa se ba akono bebe o mbewura bia na ogura ho bi me mboni din sana mo ya onyahu enya fine I mean o ma na yetimo ma yema na ma bi yema ya ni nte kakra it's not fine sika wate masie yi levi sa uji dum so levi uji tum mate yanko yanim yanto akase mo se yanko pie mu wa toye etefede mantem ho mo so huriye pa na kuro ba kon edi adaso yiwa bra na o ma se badwani akasa na kokwa pa ne de Steven Kofi o kire mu se ba ya bosumi nsie ni na wonam sam so am eno no eda yiwa bakro no so atwam akopie mu ewo nkronkra hodo pii na mpotem onom na ensuo ne di anda so dosoe na esene no ehyen bia kofa so me na buagum ma omo akasa de chopa tumpanifo ne bepem ne enya de mpanifo atimi ayensam so no o kire mu asem mpanifo ma ho moden amesie semsem so ne de a BEC nso hwe na desuafo kwatwe Yankopon ya adoma ukwede de yanimo no wanhwe na adehia mo yiwa bra ne mpatem no wanom nya de ombetimi atwere bi na dosu ya bridge no eyade akopie mu a eda yiwa bra kronum atwamu saa ne nanam akopie mu ewo eye western region enkronkra wodo pie mu a chese ne adehia mpatem no mota afa so kodi omdwuma ha dwenye pam na akopie yiwa bra ne mpatem a edem akopie mu osam na boy Emenfi West mensenim edem kopie mu onkonkura hodo bi te se omape ohia ma adwen afinso domi abra eni nkonkura hodo pi na ne nyina da etwene we fa hodo ma ade hye tumi fa so ko omumfom ekwa adwuma so onye bi kakra pogye o ma no na so mpenifo kire mi se enam bra atwene no ebu ya mpenifo nya ye no ye obi kokwa so ontumi nkote obi anka abidio okote akoton ontumi nkwafuom obi so mpo kire mi se waye aduane nka ne kunu medi bia ne kuna kansu agya ontumi ntwam emmafie medidi adan obi kire mi se ne manyina kansu agya manusu aka kuro finfie ontumi nkwa no obi aba ede na ekosoi empenifo aka se kire mi se empenifo yen bia mfo bedu baabi no asosie besi yiwa bra ne patem ne ba ha dwenye pa na ba DLFM Facebook no so ye endi school for my friend etwatwene sei ye Ghana ama moja man yen kwati ensma wodo aseme mande atija
Yedi jawo jom, yedi jawo samla boy, yedi jawo omape, yedi jawo kou, yedi jawo bensu, yedi jawo jema. Utumi faha elibu ya simple way kwa just a stone stone. Inti ya sa abansa na dawama. Ye bleje so wa mama ye mwa na wanyama ya. Ene na o hauka siepa na odi maye. Sable ya kasei nso impo enyanyiri yo. Afa na atobe mienu pe na nso ya dusei. Inti ya sra aban ekuafo titiro, ekuafo anko ekuafo ma ye no ba nyina nsuonachi aduane a ye bedi kura yenya omo kura yimu sabi kura ye bi won nsuonachi nsuo kura mo ba no kura mo nya
eni a wuti asem member ne den ede 7 Kofi ono ena ye yiwa bra electoral area won ma asem member no ewa win mensenem na no achina school for mo friend bi su kire mi se omo nsa egu omo nsa yam BEC nso hwa ye kwatwe Yankopon ya adoma wuku adai sempirifo ama yensam so na wane mbeka omuntumi nkwatwire bi awra hosem
ko ya to bia no krum ombasa su krum esi hu akwan fa so ba no su kwa eti fa ke ha de brede
Nyeti nyamba school ya ba panyimi amoya ntimi ntwanso ya haya sire mu mumwa yenye su ntimi ko school ya hia ya da achi na mo ko school mo so de ajaye ya de mama na ya beji na ya ntimi na school so mama na ya beji na ya ntimi su ya de net na ya exam
oh mobra wasem Kofi ma video ni ntwangu mam na Ghana fo mehwe wai bra behwe nsam so a ebu na hwese de nsuo na to na school for mo friend baby omo nam ye enipa nkwa ene ade bo chacha sa no baby mo friend bi tetare a woni mu twa nsuo akọ school na yentie nsema hodo a timamufo no besidu tu dwa
Kroma pa ye wo kroma so mo cheye mu enan pra emu miensa afu na wo bridge na chi ya no mi gina hai me ma me ene me ma nyina wo bridge na chi awo nsuo na chi anka ya ese me kohwe omo ntimi nkroso enko nifuo nyina ye fuo nyina ho na wo
sesi ya ye kuafo pa beji bu ye watch ni ntimi nyina kwampo ni atwable gina ko nsuo na ja akofa duane ya nkwala enso bebre bu akuase aho na mo fi ba school sesi ya wo ntimi ma man bokotwa na yesu so ndiye sra ban omo ye paare si ade wi abasafu de ho kire
eje ni yentumi faso me kwa ni gina po me na ya me yanso me de faso ta akọ teti ya na ba ya akọ na otu be mienu kwa enko fo da ya tifie na da duani ni ebedi ye nya duani po ni ye nya sika so nti teti aban ya sra na oba boy kakra na nya bleje no mfama ye anya ta dia ye nya duani po ni edi po ni anya nkonko atrase.
Please, we are suffering. We have bad roads, our bridge is not well. I'm a tutor here, I teach here. I'm from the Greater Accra region, but they brought me here. It's very bad. Please come and help us.
Sisi ame makwa onso na chi omutumi mampo na oma bedidi ya ba kuma beto de no mwadi ti yesra ban yensa egu yensa yesra no omo aye no onye ye kwan mai na sisi ya no school for no mpo omutumi mpo no ma ba school amaka onso na chi gisa mo de shema na mo de twa omo se nyame anya adum pa ka shema ni po butuma do bewu ti yesra ban omo ebo aye nuka me gina amanka aso anka yesa mete na bridge ne buye ni nyina aka chiro amanka ni nyina atise egu asai ama se ya ho achire okwenwa te bedi kwa abontre anka ha ba ode re bantu gu abontre obi nyara bi no afa akwachi ko fa duane aba ma ye wo koma nyina kom kwa na eku yenti esra ban so be bo ne se ade ye ho achire yankasa
cocoa board track confirming the sign of what? Making the cocoa nursery. So when it was the car was coming, in fact, we didn't see the car. So the car was passing and all of a sudden the building collapsed. And because of that, the farmers cannot go. Even we are making the nursery, the government nursery, we are doing behind the bridge and the communities are there, they can't cross.
Enti any out here de share one more you abra and a much them said the course or no emfakra and one muhia aban emwa na ne kwakra mo no na akopie mu our women so our deputy chief executive and that's one municipal chief executive our women in the Mr. 7 moche ashe boy say obebo no homoden a ye de obetimi na etwene na anasa samso na say no one etumi SEC.
We were told by the assembly member for the area that there is a problem and that there is this Kia truck that used the bridge and it caused that accident. So it is something that is worrying us. Notwithstanding the MP, the member of parliament for Awori, his name is Honorable Oscar Oforilabi, has taken steps. What he has done is that he has sent a first team. It's not like nothing has been done about it. A team comprising of the regional roads engineer and another, I think 2 or 3 people from Accra. And so the first inspection has been done. And the second team was supposed to supposed to go to the area today. But unfortunately, today is a holiday. So as I'm speaking right now, I am in Accra with the MP, and the team is about to set off maybe tomorrow or tomorrow. And so by Monday, the team will be on site and actions or steps be taken to rectify the situation.
Ani a woti ye ayo penny pa no boko ramum. Ewo awawin mensin mu a ono na ye wonom MC. The den edonim nyam for 7 moche nene na woti ye. We na ye gina we so na madwen kire ne de ene momfa ncha ye pa ye boye homoden senka. Ye betumi akenkan dem am nanso akwaye ne ho boachi bidin. Ye boye homoden bi asefa ye bekan yamfa nso so a na eja ye huratra na ye kɔ anim. Pa no boko ramum. There be nyabotre na opere. Mayan kan bi we ye dola ya Adwoa Agyei no si DL news no eja wo mpa no hwe live edi free Christian village achimwata na wo chirem say greeting to you all ya da say ahofe we so free piaga no chirem say mate piaga ya da se pass wutie mum ama yourself the ampese ye be kan de the party headquarters. Richard Ahwenso were here live edi free great station in Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B ene Adwoa Agyei Sikapa dumso levi on na eka onyame na meka o kiremu say kasebodi mo de sound man na DJ Ghana man fidie no so na ho nyina obi atiefi we so free eya kwabena eyatwum ana wa kiremu say DL news in all the best no size or say this station ne in fact eya big pa nanaka so ya te da say we so every certain to bam na o kiremu say then good evening then am say wa yire wa fom kwan ya te si na da say pa to bam ya chia kwabi asama no say greeting to Nhyiraba ne dumso levi lady. Oh, Papa security at day. Or here life, Eddie Free Lakeside. Yada say, Coffee Parliament, no chile me say modern Ghana better still. People they suffer. Mate, that's modern Ghana, no one more than for Ghana. Ni yaba on chance me down a Ghana penny for day we kutura maso mupu.
What bad Lumba? Papa there. Ade. Yaba boni dia. Me dem asamano. What bad Lumba? Papa there. Ade. Yaba boni dia. Me dem asamano.
Ewe Ghana penny for ade we kutura mope. Dia ke bia momfa nya hwe. Ghana ni yaba on chance yabra naso bonitew na yenkoye nim sofa na min sofa. Asema da ho nyina ni. Ade hwe mo yi wa bra. Ensem zo na bu be ya bosum nsie ntam ni. Wano mo aka anya de ampanifo siesie ya makro ne mu ache. Enkonkura hodo a ewo ho ne mu nyina de obi ntumi nkɔ no obi aba. Akuafo mfude nyina ka nwuram. De awra ho mponi se school fo amkwa kwatwere bi isi nso hwe o mu nyina ka twene nachi. Kofi fa video ne to so na Ghana fo mehwe wae. Na ba Facebook nso be hu be ba bia mofra na namanso makro so akɔ school ni in fact I am hyehye pa. Omo kirem se abamra omomwa ente sa bi isi nkwala ntumi nkɔtwere bi. No fa se majo. Ya mi adom bra kwa medodo am enti o.
Da fa medodo. Me de Ghana for bokoko tu. Me da fa pe bi na bo fe na du so levi. O do bokoko.
Ade se obetua me Ghana yenya dum so ne tu atwa.
Ayo but
o ntia na wo kwanya nya kane ndem mate yenko.
Me dia Ghana ha wo. Ye kete sipa bia eye. We ọmọ kan fèvú ọmọ nkọyẹ ọmọ nsẹ na bìbí esi ansa na afi dẹ ọmọ de 3 days afa afẹ. wọ́n ti ẹ bẹ sẹ́ fèvú ọmọ nkọyẹ náà wà ẹ fẹ́ wọn paa ọmọ sọ wọ́n yẹ Ghana ọmọ nkọyẹ náà.
mẹ́ta asebira kwa.
ẹ fẹ́ mi dẹ́fọ́ bí tiẹ́ mi dẹ́fọ́ wa.
Sikapa jọ so paa. All right. Yo, bra kwa me do ameda se pa so betimi abodi awura mu 0534050199 059340 6565 0534050199 059340 6565 ubo wura mu aye befa na yuwa brafo yi omonsam so ye buya e mo frenya me amfafia omuntumi nkotwere bi si nso hwe bi bone be na o maye Woti sensem se na ekoso wo mayi mu a aya dia na wiyem esibi eyew efamadwo. Hello wenti me anyina so am fa ni say hello good evening.
Good evening.
Me wa fa se udi na bia kasa fire.
Me presi isam ko fisa just go fast.
Senior mayenti o.
Ade ba kwa na ha mi o ni se. Sometimes man I woman what is it? A credit in Ghana. Ghana Ghana near. And on my side near a job at 2 years. A woman is aquine. A mucha baby. A woman is aquine. It's somewhere hiding for.
Okay.
It's a man can be on Corano. A mufa BC, a fan call, a mufa.
Okay. Mom ntwanso no kra. Wo so ka sa ni mode. Mate. Meda CP ya minhira opa senior. Majo.
Wo fa twa sunte.
Mama o manwa na de edem voice ne dem.
Ayo.
Yentio.
Nhyiraba Sikapa.
Ojo so pa. Yi levi jo di levi jo so.
Ghana apa de se. Ade da wo so mo ye no betwa. Ajis ade na se ansana.
Omo ye la kada se ka fo ja omo.
Ne mom no yesre aban no ne mpanyifo no. Eni die mu ame pom na chew. Wo mo bomo de ya bibi mfa ho. Na omo timi ya mo bi obi otwempna kora ne boy timi ja no. Pare chew pa.
Yo. Medasi bebre mama majo.
Ya chao.
Me wo fa se wodi na ba bia kasa free.
Me pa che FM Dina me kasa free dodowa.
Sister Dina dodowa mpa che o me ntia numre.
Me de imagine say ebetumi a na herikuta betumi akokro no so a and there won fa herikuta ankofa nkwada no
okay
what tro wi a no asa aposi wo
okay
it say date na what the be tro no aben nke ukwada ya want me if you want to me enye bridge no na nkwada na mfa so nti yesre o company so ma herikuta ankofa nkwada no na bia President do ho no madacho be Ghana.
Okay. Me da se pa so adwenkyere mu hwampa na se beye no e na ye kan. So beye de a o ma anyempo de ombe kokko disika kase bo no ye besre wo fra ye ntumi mfa fise ye bre no asunti ne de esi. Emusemufo ne ya maze. Mebele ntwede se mu e de ma ye na kofitela prompting nti we ma nya ahwe ana menya asem. Nti abaka fa chem na me monitor we ye happy birthday go as you. Josephine Asare Uwa kaswa kalabule na wei every champion man himself. Angel Maker. Osi yanka nchira wo so do ye pa. Ene ye wa wo de Yankopon tena de mfa nchira wo. Na onyo kese no mpagya mfemfra adu mfa nkwa na kofina na picture no wo ye nden. Wa fa picture nka ho. Matenti wei ekọ ediama ho fedua. Josephine Asare wo kaswa kalabule. Me ame wa fa ase. Angel Maker. Amansen su chiame. Osi yanka ncho so poasem papa. Ti Yankopon kwa so anya okese mfra adumo. Enquires. So happy birthday go to you once again. Josephine Asare wo kaswa kalabule. Kase bani de si emusemufo ne ya maze. Mebele ntwene se mu e de ema ye. The champion Taylor be ma 10 gram a ewini ahofedwa the nations MC e de ekopie mu. E wo Facebook ono so. DJ Zigibi ye senior technician on duty. Akenkafo esi nkunwa be so manimre no edi ameje so eye takwade kwadwo krom twabego de hyekonkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mahoteden ene ehunso mponi mebankramum nso a Alhaji Abdul Kasunte meneme wo fa se ba
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
na hoteden ne
Dum so living
enti yakwa hwan na eba
Apakanji
odede na eba
sports.
Okay. Ghana for ya kramo. Apakan GH. Or no, and I trust the mamma. Your mamma monitia adeshe.
I'm saying, inside, yeah, sitting there, yeah, Ghana. But yeah, but yeah, the middle one moves a Mickey Chassis. Oh, yeah, the Basanabu, my dinner. No, say, I'm sure. Basana data on the mind. That Anna, we agent of Crane, which Anna, Obeno, Duano, Kakasabino, Anna, you say, Froby, or Freddy for me, rather than a moment, but also, I don't know, moment to be as a bass, a moment to be as a bass. No, who make it chance, no challenge, I know video in James and a call baby on social media and a year. So it's not a matter of say, Yamopia again opinion. So, but maybe what it is, say, if in the club lances, put me in fact 23 seater in your football, never, but it is so. But Yenny, Yamabe Barcelona, a man for Camfo, a man for years, a man for years. But the Barcelona, and the woman, yes, I'm a young shame, Barcelona, but I'm not the Bible. No, see for man was the boss, Barcelona, the call at the Biazana, just as the sun shocks. Barcelona, the Magic.
Joe Dagbe wotro ya melegbedura no vinyo fogboto fio wotro ya chagamagbado megba noin sports ye metwogbono yimenko enyu DL Power Sports Update mede kukuno wotro ya la yo madena gbona made na mesiame kure pometo fio no chome radio adre DL 106.9 sports adimila ye me no metwogbono tamede kukuno radio wa ngbadelegia anyami ganjobi tuobole bonuno koye Facebook e YouTube bakene menga bo hefia you know your beshe watashie kun wake sports ni ba egbe DL Power Sports Update mekwa bo fa igbekene ni ochemoko ni moko akemoko ni mofia moke radio afo DL 106.9 sports noni nyesmo on watashi wakeba. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platform. Monday evening, we are back on your radio. We are bringing you DL Power Sports Update. So please don't hesitate to call a friend to tell a friend that DL Power Sports Update Monday evening edition is airborne live. Ebusia, mamenyina we suna obu ahobrase eni didie kwan so baby bia wo na nwumre mema wadwo ema wakwaba embe pie won krampumpuni mantem ene Ghana agiatum kasafidie kase ba kopesu DL ohani nsia echiripo enkron dwada enwumre mrewedu se agudi momnante yesinkunya na agudi mo nsama wodo na wotwi etwaguye aya kwakopedia masemufo watenase wajibre ewu so wasone sokrojen intebeni nyina wayi afimni akadie osie modu otiefo editie se wohwefo edihwe se wohwe ena yen okafo nso no edikase ye kan yatenase abusua yede ensem no babesoma yagudi mo nsema edi adencheche edi adanadane bumfumpa ewo Ghana bibrem ene broni kroso abusua yatredin DL Power Sports Update yerebesomo ya tasen samno aboa no abone bede baby bia wo bia tami kuchu ne yamfa nsam no bede abusia yetenase abiribia no wahye ne nso ede amame se adwumaku aye from Lumba ensupa omo ada romane yede nsam no ede ebronti na nwumre baby bia wo bia kame woni yamfa seda kese aseda chenchirenche no emfa ma adwumaku aye from Lumba ensupa na Lumba ensupa ye nsu abadwama nso a emoti emode kama na Food and Drugs Authority ade afam fidiem aye nhwehwema agya atum sendei obepiem Ghana na opensu de na emote na ekroje na kamadia eno ani Lumba ensupa na enije sawne se Lumba ensupa no ya wone bottle and ya wone sachet enti ya opebia obenyanom efiefie mo momfa bingu fridges mo na monom ode ya woni fridge kra na to bi twere ban no ebedwo na watumi abobo enkwalane ko school bottle water no momfa nhyɛ mo bag mo na omomfa nko dwumadie bia odi bia no fabi som wa hoho ena enu achi nso no mo amotonton so no monton Lumba nsupa na mudwana mudi no ebetumi atumpon na monso manyaska ede ahyemu botom bibia efa nsu aye no mo de abusua eno ani Lumba nsupa ya to apetenkran ha baby bia obia no obenya bi Madam Abanyameche eye distributor or appear to slen e dansoma ne mpatem or ben Lumba Sport no 0557 349 401 and offense no fankwane ne mpatem Sport M Washing Bay Mama Vic ewo 0500 68078 ebusia Lumba nsupa no ope bi ato DLFM ya kache ewo nkran Gbogbo Junction yene Wisconsin International University no ena edi animhwen ya kache obenya bi na bibia ye kama baby bia wo ananwumre utie me ebia ope bi ato ope bi agu shop ana opese wo da bi na odidi udwuma numbers no 0355 0 no abo 5 miensa 274757 0555 274757 ana 0577 4753 43 Lumba in Supada Romana Numere Yatanasi DL Power Sports Update Yadebasmo and Net Drada Numere Asadaka Siankoma Kwame Fumba Bibi Obia and Numere or Kan Yadin Samano Eba Champion Kofitela Facebook and YouTube or the Adwoa DLFM 106.9 Jumediano obetumi enyabi ahwe miametia kunya kesi modern samano eba besomo diamejeso ayensu ano de hye apakan GH the blessed kinyentie we yamfam prapra kwam yeba yebesi famani atujade nsamano ede amamo
apakan GH wode nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hobrase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pabe ne wo radio mampa enti
Yanke jangumani yantu jana na nyumre yamfa ensamano emfanso mode abusia yansha semfan fi Ghana mnante esi akanwa manone na yambo omo nkomo emfan chero de yansha se emfan fi the English Premier League na Bobo ko FN Brighton and Hove Albion omo akachi na Ghana yen defender yefene Tariq Lamte abrantie no esi na kan wona abusia abrantie na sama ya yewrem no ne contract na oni Bobo ko a yefene Brighton and Hove Albion wono na contract no etumi aba Emma last week kra mebe catch us sana kika konde one share na bia boboku a ye friend Brighton and Hove Albion no omoni abranti ye friend Tariq Lamte entumi antoa so na momo no sana mpene for kan sebe obakwase ape enense sana adwen Brighton and Hove Albion for na kwatena se unse Tariq Lamte so mu jano no kwa ebia ni replacement no ebe ye den amount into officially no Brighton for no any Tariq Lamte a reach agreement 1 year contract extension until June 2026 no abranti friend Tariq Lamte was signing ede amaboboku a ye friend Brighton na next season obetina boboku e friend Brighton na we see akandi amawo a ye de awonsam de mountino Tariq Lamte officially 1 year contract extension was signing e boboku a ye friend Brighton and Hove Albion akachi a ya bo ewon komo na nwumre ede achiro uramo e wo Italy aboboku a ye friend Atalanta Bergamo makachi e na ye de yeri kire na ho e na Black Stars of Ghana ye defensive midfielder ye friend Ibrahim Sulemana esina kan na season aba na we de na mom no the month of May games echo so e European League no na boboku a ye friend Atalanta Bergamo kwatena no almost May busum ye atwam kwei opa branch a osi akande mama na ne mono wosoro pa omo de sabas bode no na de ama branch a ye friend Ibrahim Osmana ofi Ghana na Ibrahim Sulemana a ofi Ghana yetumi edi unkomo edi amanti Ibrahim Sulemana Ghanaian defensive midfielder ono waji player of the month of May ewo bobo ko efe na Atalanta kache ewo Italian Serie A numa ya bo enkomo edi acho uram ewo Turkish Super League num ya frebobo ko bi Sam Supo na eho ena Black Stars ya ringa kum midfielder a ya friend Kingsley Schindler osina kan wo na contract a na bobo ko a ya friend Sam Supo yani abrante friend Kingsley Schindler wono contract no abanewie na nde oma coming into conclusion say omo party ways na two parties no bia epe new direction entimene ka say abranti a ye friend Kingsley Schindler no we fit some support as a free agent and they operating fofra obesi akande amom next season yetumi edi wonkomo edi achiro yeda so gina efie dia yemfi Ghana mranti a esi akanwa manone na yemfi ye nchemu ewo Ghana Premier League num na ebusia na otwen na Ghana Premier League no ye kan ni nyina gu fam edi ni nyina eba na wie na match day 34 na mpene 4 eto ni din the final showdown no eto dwa enro na ni nyina to dwa result say na kokoye Heart of Oak 1 Samate 0 Babiani Go Stars 4 Accra Lions 0 Dreams FC 4 Legon Cities 1 Bechem United 1 Young Apostles 0 Adriana Football Club 3 Basekoli Stars 1 Nations FC 0 Heart of Lions 2 Mediama Sporting Club 1 Brekum Chelsea 2 and Vision FC 3 Asante Kotoko 1 na yabo season nyina wie no ye twen eye Basekoli Stars and in Nations FC ye twen omon sensam say verdict no ebeba na emom no me no kaseri say na table no etie Babiani Go Stars 63 points Nations to so mienu 60 points miensa Heart of Lions 60 and 9 Heart of Oak 58 and a numero aya Asante Kotoko omo 50 aya 8 okwa asewa teams ayeko relegation no 16th Accra Lions omo next season Omebo Division 1 35 points. Legon Cities echo 17th 25 points. And 18th no ayen Suathreman 20 and now 15 points. Omo kwada da 15 omo kwada da. Ewo Ghana Premier League ma yade awonsam edema na officially no GFA4 na declare intimensu me declare the amount officially no Babiani Go Stars and a champion of the Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 season. Ti baby any Go Stars aje afi league no e de asi omnanso a yede awonsam enso e de aso na yabo e season ni nyina wie so far no abrante ane na no dele pa onim goals hye no once again Steven Amankuna and a top scorer Brekum Chelsea 15 goals. Faiza Chawete Nations FC 12 goals. Albert Amua Wasante Kotoko 12 goals. And Nana Kwame Opon our Heart of Lions 11 goals. And Joseph Eso our Dreams FC ononso eshe 11 goals. Goalkeeper Okipu more clean sheet no. Emmanuel Kobi Babiani Go Stars 18 clean sheet out of 34 games. And Benjamin Asario Heart of Oak 17 clean sheet. Masaudu Inusa ewo Diana Football Club 16 clean sheet. And Lawrence Osei ewo Heart of Lions 16 clean sheet. And Dari Aziz Haruna ewo Bechem United ononso 15 clean sheet. And Okipuya yede won samadi amao na watching coaches no edi nkomo yenya abotre ne yemfa coaches no omanudisem emfanto animdia yensha semfa fi coacha we win league no your friend of Frempom Manso aka Mayanga Babiani Go Stars for the first time Adwoa Agyei League na yebisa se coachito feeling ne practicing and I see the whole town Babiani Obiani Agyei say ometumi Agyei League na ohwe Babiani fo no se na omani Agyei na automatically ono Frempom Manso so no ama nani Agyei inti ne obeka ne se nani Agyei se boboku a ye friend Babiani Go Stars etumi Agyei League no.
And the champion is here with me. Congratulations to you, coach.
Yeah, thank you.
How does it feel?
Yeah, you can see everybody in the stands is very happy. No, the whole town is very happy. And so I am overwhelmed.
Coach, you are the first coach to do this for this club. Where does that put you in terms of the history of this club?
Well, that would depend on the team itself, how they will put me.
Coach Frempom Manso etwane Samson and yebisa ne say sadie we a waye kra no o felisen because for the first time and I would Babiani Go Stars etumi Agyei League and o si o nani Agyei pa esan say Babiani ne mpatem no we need the first time team bi etumi Agyei Premier League title e de abao Emma manfo ne so di omani hu Premier League trophy ni bi enti obeka se ofele proud for such achievement way and a Babiani Go Stars team ya aye saba kwasema waka bi no ofele proud say oka team no na nia obeka ne se Babiani fo no bom abaso esan se team ne nkomla babi ombeko bia no Babiani manfo no na omu di team no echi.
I'm very happy because if you look at Babiani and this environment, this is the first time we are going to see a League Cup, and so for me, I feel very proud to be part of the team, and also I'm also very happy for Babiani because they've also done a lot of work. All along, everywhere we go, we see them, they go with us, and then at home they play as the 12th player. So for me, I think I am very, very happy for the DLFM.
Coach Frempom Manso aka Mayanga ono no ye coach or the Babiani Go Stars Agyei Ghana Premier League na afia yedi awon komo e de achro na Charles Jamfi Kama Babiani Go Stars player na Charles Jamfi Kama na yebizanse Jamfi feeling e practice en Agyei Ghana Premier League no and o se feeling no amazing na ni Agyei pa se omo ye champions of the Ghana Premier League this season na season ankasa no na enya bayera Adwoa Agyei na modern emu ayere pampen na momo no omo ampaba omo ye oma famudi no omo ye no ene de oma Agyei League na afenso no omo ko Africa no omo konso no ombebo omo modern.
The feeling is amazing. It's amazing. You can see everybody over here is very, very happy. The feeling is amazing. We are happy. We are the champions of the Ghana Premier League 2024-25 season. Hooray! The ups and downs, it was a difficult one. And mentally, everything was a difficult one because it came to some time we were very, very down, but when unfortunately we came up and did our best, and I think our best has won us the champions. Yes, we are going to Africa, sure, we are going to Africa and perform very, very well.
Charles Jamfi Kama na wateneka na William Denchi a former player de Mahato Fuck Samuel Agyei League no na William Denchi eka obi nande osani Bebiani Go Stars Agyei League na William Denchi also feeling it to send him out and also feeling he great Eddie Mano so wasa Agyei League ribiam with Bebiani Go Stars na o pese winning more trophies e se o stay consistent sadia no ye ena ne osani Bebiani Go Stars aba Agyei League intinani age osi league no moji no okan obeka se na Bebiani Go Stars de no difficult de mano chen yoje ewo heart akache sense Bebiani Go Stars de no take last game and san omutumi Agyei League ne entina enye kama ne yebisanse Africa moko no ma obo abo ane tse na osi Africa no one best teams na kwakobo enti wo kwa Africa se o prepare na mentally no unya tough mentality.
Oh, it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling because to be winning more awards, you cannot be relaxed after one award. At least you wanted to win more, so I'm just a happy man, right? Yes, this one was also difficult, I think, because even with us, we had to win easily, but with Bebiani Go Stars, it has to come to the 34th match, and now it has to be the last match of the game before we can win the league, and we have done it, so this is more difficult than one with the last. We have to prepare mentally tough and everything, because I know with Africa it's very difficult, because there are good teams out there that are really prepared. So I think we have to boost up and have the confidence, have the courage, and give our best as always.
William Denchi, former player at Mahat Ofok in a once again Osani Bebiani Go Stars Agyei League and our Tenenkano away from the champions Bebiani Go Stars or Makachano Uremo Ewatama New Tower Bobo Kwaifen Vision FC Echi Kumasi Asante Kotoko Enna Nioma Kamiensa Ama Asante Kotoko Eti Mubako Nana Kweku Agyimana coach Edema Vision FC Yebisanse coach then awye ya utumi nane Kotoko Kamiensa Emo Muti Mubako Eno se omen delay ball Omunya ball na quick pass no medu anymore no mo kopego afenso final third of the park no omu yusu hoye pa ena ne mrante so ball simple football ena omu ye discipline sadia no omu ye no ena omu che kotoko nani omu kamiensa omu timu ba kui.
The overloads was there, the passing was there, we played the up back and through the give and goes. We didn't delay too much. The few times that we delayed on the ball, we realized that we lost the ball, but when they were disciplined, they kept it simple, one touch, two touches. You realize that they really played well. So we played through the thirds, we got there, we were able to get a goals, and that was wonderful.
Na Kweku Agyimana yembisa season aba na wie mo be signings bi mo be ja players ni bi kwan e no se an team bia na yebo season wie a otena se ne wa hwe ni team no be bia loopholes wo no na o ma sisi sa loopholes no enti obeka se senior players old players no on be ja bi kwan no mo the young and energetic players ni bi e de aba be hwe team no se na be ya next season no Vision FC team no e mo be yere pumping
team every season you try to refresh it. So mostly some of the older players are going to go, definitely. And then we're also going to bring in some of the younger ones as well. What we need are players that are very comfortable on the ball, players that are energetic, can press to win the ball when we lose it. We need that energy. Because if you play the man-to-man pressing, we need that energy, we need that tactical sense to be able to win the ball. We need to overload the areas that we are defending in. So we're going to bring in brilliant defenders, we're going to bring in midfielders that are young enough but technical enough to be able to play. We're going to bring in forward liners that have speed and will be able to...
Nana Kweku Agyimana neye training. Erima Bobo Kwefen Vision FC. Ena Watenenkano. Abdul Karim Zito ena ye interim coach Erima Kumasi Asante Kotoko obaye ne first official game welusu Erima Kotoko nie Vision bone kamiensa otimu bakon na coach Abdul Karim Zito den esi ya wedi ntwoi ena o se referees no on the day no e kamie so omo ba park ne so no ne omo pe no omo be na Ghana de oka referees asema na DLFM no omo de ngaw no omo be chiware omo mpe so be ka referees asem into ono de onkasa na referees no oja omo manyame.
It seems like
I don't want to talk about them. They have a way of doing things. When you are whacked down, instead of you know, it will give the advantage to the opposite team. So after the ball is spoiled, before you come back and say foul against you. That is why, but you just leave them.
Coach Abdul Karim Zito, interim coach, Edema Santi Kotoko, Ena Watenen Kano, Abubakar Watara, a coach, Edema Hato Folk, Oshe, a cannibal, a summates, and to me, Ante. Now, I say has Angelique, you know, Nemono, has and the best team this season. Our Ghana Premier League coach, we party. Adaya, or say last season, has equal relegation. Afi Amanisa, and he has Angelique Grenadier, Nemono, according to Abubakar Watara, no. Or say has and the best team this season, our Ghana Premier League. And answer training BBC as a coach. Now, one J League now, or say has the best team. So, we know who did he has fans and at the one say Pierre Jena, Omoje Champions League. No, the whole Europe, no one the best team and Obisan and training in question.
If you ask me, yes, House of Hope is the best team for the season. So we are coming from back. When we start, we are 0 points. And today we are 50 now. Between the champion and us, it's just 5 points. What do you want me to say? You have the players who the people don't know them. Today, these players are stars. And we play, we're fighting from the bottom. One day, I don't know, I'm not joking. We lead the league just 24 hours.
We're the best team, we didn't win the league.
You think Paris Saint-Germain is the best team in Europe? Are you sure? You win the league, are you sure Paris Saint-Germain is the best team? I don't know the figure, you don't know about all lie. Let us stop talking.
Now, I work hard with Anna Tuan Samson. I know the two guys actually has fans. No, say team ni be ya age na muso. Enti abribi a montai team na chi esanza monka team no wa. Aya na nyama ye din dia ma team no. Enti obesere has e chicha for na ya monkoso a na montai team na chi. Na mo so ya mo support Real Madrid, Barcelona no ne ade. Enyama nko ye kura na mo support na has de. Bibi chia kakra bia na mo ba mabu na mo buafu. O se Real Madrid, Barcelona, Arsenal ne Chelsea na mo support no. E won wan na ni mo. Munya support na mo support mo has na.
Without the fans is difficult for the team like as a fluke to go forward. We need the fans. And without the fans, I think the press, the work is difficult because you don't have the people to see that kind of the enjoyment. You see, but the same fans are ready to go to the TV, the sports, buy the beer and everything to drink and look Real Madrid. We don't know anybody on that team. We don't have any link.
Abubakar Watara na watene ngano. Ne krakra yewie ofie no yaw a champion ye former coach Edman Swathreman FC Legon Cities na yebisa se season na be we den no ka eno se yam fast da matwedi ampo nyankopon se waboa ema season na ba na wi asumdwe a ende no obi ehu ne bobre ewo Ghana Premier League no enti aseda ni nyina yam fama twedi ampo nyankopon
Yo baka se bibi o begin igla wo na yenyi na start Ghana Premier League no now ewie nti first na se da nyamia se yentumi ewie we no successful and then the good the bad the ugly or season so far me da nyamia se yentumi ewie successful
ne krakra no ne yebisanse yaw a champion coach sino ene dodo na complaining about referees money mo say e fem na the season under review no referees money mo eden na kan ede afan.
Normally I don't want to talk about the referees because the referees job na na eyedin kakra because the minutes the time already making decisions na na very very difficult but like I said we are humans perfect but I believe say year by year things will improve. Looking at what I've seen this season, I believe next season things will improve because I believe things will improve.
Yaw a champion a former coach the man in Swathreman FC and Bobo Kwa FN Legon Cities and a Watenenka. Yam monito ewo amanone emfa maudia. What tennis no ebusiana ochi ena ye wie Roland Garros ye ka Roland Garros I no any French Open no na women's single no ababawa ye friend Coco Golf a ofi USA echi Arena Sabalenka ofi Belarus etwa no 676264 ema mene o ka say USA abayiwa ye friend Coco Golf and Roland Garros French Open 2025 no wetumi agi women's single title no e de esine na so na wey Coco Golf ne second Grand Slam title a wetumi agi US Open 2023 oje and French Open 2025 wetumi abeje na men's single no and afenso no the sensation Carlos Alcaraz ofi Spain oye na de no eche Yannick Sinner a ofi Italy etwa no 64 76 64 76 76 and we know can say Carlos Alcaraz and French Open Roland Garros champion last year oje na this year waje na way ni 5th Grand Slam title waje French Open 2024-2025 waje Wimbledon 2023-2024 je and US Open 2022 oje and Carlos Alcaraz ni 5th Grand Slam title and wetumi aje ayere won some area amount NBA National Basketball Association final no is set yebo na yabo game 1 na otwin game 2 no etodwa na game 2 no na Indiana Pacers once again omo nyama no ema Oklahoma City Thunder echi omo twa omo 123 basket as against 170 me no can say as it stands now no 1-1 enso ewo na yawada edi anim no 12:30 I'm na chen and game 3 no ebetodwa Indiana Pacers and ebetna fie normally Oklahoma City Thunder at the Abuania yede enwonsam at the asomo na UEFA Nations League na otwin yewie 3rd and 4th place in Germany etna fie Emma France ebo mekami no a omentuma into bronze medal no akọ at the amomaya ye friend France na final no etodwa na yabo 120 minutes 90 plus extra time we no na 2-2 Portugal 2 Spain 2 na ese de atopreko e de ehyehe so na atopreko penalties no na Portugal ehye 2 and Portugal share 5 Spain ehye 30 after 2-2 no na penalties no Portugal 5 Spain 3 me no ka say UEFA Nations League no Portugal energy edi esi omananso a yedi ehun komodi acho World Cup 2026 Canada Mexico USA Europe no qualifies no matches Cosmeno ka say yesi akane simadi onu miensa 23 minutes Estonia nshebie Norway nshebie Sanso na Italy nshebie Moldova nshebie na game ba kwa ba na wie Kazakhstan anshebie North Macedonia twoma ka ba kwa omo entuma simadi onu miensa Belgium ashebie no Wales entumi entie Croatia 24 minutes omo nshebie Czech Republic nshebie na Faroe Island nshebie Sanso na Gibraltar enso nshebie yede enwonsam enso edemount na Manchester United oma confirming say Christian Eriksen Victor Lindelof and John Evans omo nyina no efi team na akache eko as a free agent yet me edi unkomo edi ama Tottenham Hotspur unim se nansia and omo manager Ange Postecoglou omo jane kwan akato na bro na Denmark manager your friend Thomas Frank no bobo kwa your friend Tottenham appoint no from Brentford as new manager yede awonsem edi amount Manchester City and the Olympic Lyon oma agree deal for French winger your friend Ryan Cherki sikebe piem no 35 million euros and a Man City ebetua edi am Olympic Lyon no ma fa Ryan Cherki ebe sign 5 years contract until June 2030 edi amabobo kwa friend Man City and a Man City enanwumre ya oma pa brand friend Ryan at Nuri Algerian left back oma pa na wontuma so oma signing from Wolves sike piem ne 37 million pounds plus add-on 5 years contract until June 2030 na Ryan at Nuri assigning edi amabobo kwa your friend Man City Clement Lenglet French center back na or Barcelona were terminating a contract last season on ball loan Atletico Madrid were terminating the contract officially akwa signing 3 years contract until June 2028 edi amabobo kwa your friend Atletico Madrid no officially no yewie ewo Inter Milan akachi Inter Milan etumi apa Romanian manager your friend Christian Chivu 44 years 2 years contract until June 2027 and a Christian Chivu ebe new manager at the ama Inter Milan o replace Simeone Inzaghi yegyina so na yɛde agodie mu nsɛm no ɛde asi aseda kɛse yɛnkɔ Kwame Afum ɔtaa ekyire yɛde nsɛm no ɛba baabi a Kwame Afum obia yɛnda na sesɛ ɔtaa ekyire champion Kofitela ɛde yɛnkɔ Facebook ɛne YouTube ɛma wonya nsɛm no bi ɛhwɛ na Joshua Akoli owo Madina New Legon Abu Junction na owo God Day Collections we biem ku a wutie Joshua Akoli wo God Day Collection wo New Legon Abu Junction ma yenchia on anwumre se de bia radio no eda DLFM wutie me amebra penny Mr. Kofi ayenu wa yenso anu so wate ono wife sister Mary minchia mo enne anwumre abusua me amede agudie mu nsam de ba din ameje so no ayenso anu de hye Apakan GH the blessed